And let's begin with an update that's coming in the Maharashtra extortion case investigation. Former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has been summoned. The information we're picking up is that his lawyer Inderpal Singh will be at the ED office at 11 a.m. Deshmukh in all likelihood will not be presenting himself before the Enforcement Directorate because it is suspected that he is currently in Delhi. Remember, this is the third summon that's been issued to Deshmukh. The last two he ignored. Looks like today as well he's going to be skipping the summon. Mustafa is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, again, Anil Deshmukh not going to appear before the agency. His lawyer, however, is there. So what's the communication really that Deshmukh's legal team is going to give to the ED?
Well, all the documents that have been required and asked by the ED, that would be the attempt from the Anil Deshmukh's team to provide it. But in meanwhile, Anil Deshmukh is in Delhi. He has also filed a petition saying that no coercive action be taken against him in this ED case. And even it looks likely that in the first day of the assembly session, Anil Deshmukh as a sitting MLA will not be present at the Maharashtra Assembly as he is pursuing his matter at the Supreme Court. And this has been a loggerhead issue between the opposition and the Maharashtra government, as many and multiple Maharashtra Assembly leaders have got ED summons, and they are now they're saying that this is a political issue, and it's likely that Anil Deshmukh will miss the third summon by the ED too.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for those details. Remember that Anil Deshmukh has also approached the Supreme Court seeking protection from any coercive action, fearing that the ED could push for his arrest next.